Hello, Fullerton parents. This brief video will show you how to view the Apex Learning Extended Health course. Simply sign in with the username and password provided for you. You will first see a long list of classrooms on the left. You'll want to direct your attention to the one titled Courses Electives. Go ahead and click on that. Notice it expands and shows many elective options. However, the one you want to click on is titled Health Extended. When you click on it, the course opens and you are viewing it from the student's perspective. So this is literally what the students will be viewing, reading, and working on. To view the content, you simply click on the outline here to the left. Notice as you click on it, the information is loaded up for you here on the right. You'll want to take note of the arrow here on the bottom right-hand corner. It allows you to go from one page to the next. Also take note of the number of pages here. This way, you'll know when you need to move from one page to the next. You can move from one unit to the next in the outline here on the left side. If you look here, this first number is the unit number. Here, we're in Unit 1. Here's Unit 2, 3, 4, and so on. You can open the units just by clicking on them. As you click on the units, the sections underneath expand. The course material again appears on the right. We hope this is helpful. Enjoy your exploration.